So hello my dear scholars, now we are going to start. These are the questions that we have done in our revision class, and trust me, all these questions are very easy. It will hardly take 5 minutes to solve all the questions from this exercise. Okay, so first of all, read the question number 1. Draw a line segment AB, mark any point M on it. Through M, draw a perpendicular to the line segment AB. Okay, use ruler and compass. Okay, so first of all, you need a ruler and you will need a compass. So first step, draw a line segment AB. So here I am drawing a line AB that you can take off any centimeter. Okay, so this is the point A and this is the point B. Now it is given that mark any point M on it. Okay, so select any point M. So here I am taking the point M. Right, now you just have to draw a perpendicular to AB. This is AB and you have to draw a perpendicular to the AB. Perpendicular we have already discussed, that any two lines that makes a 90 degree. So from taking the point M as the center, a small radius on this compass, and through M as the center, draw one semicircle in this way. So through point M we have drawn one semicircle, and you can give the name also. This is X and let's suppose this point is Y. Now to draw the perpendicular, only last step is needed, that it should be greater than this XM. Okay, XM, yes, it is greater than XM. This size is greater than XM. Yes, we can see. So from Y, draw one arc. In the same way, from X, draw one arc and mark the intersecting point. And with the help of ruler, through point M, draw a line in this way. And yes, this line is perpendicular to AB. Okay, very easy. And you can give the name also. Here, if you want, you can give the name as C. Okay, so here the line CM is perpendicular to the AB. Okay, so in this way we can draw our perpendicular. So scholars, in our revision class we have started with the question number 2 from the exercise 14.4, and question number 2 is very easy. So I want everyone to read the question. Draw a line segment PQ, then take any point R not on it. Through R, draw a perpendicular to PQ. Okay, so first step, draw a line segment PQ. Alright, so first of all, with the help of ruler and pencil, you have to draw a line. You have to draw a line segment PQ. Okay, so here I am drawing the line segment PQ of 10 centimeter. Okay, so this is the point P and this is the point Q. So this is the line segment PQ. Now take any point R not on it. That means you have to take any point R, but the condition is you cannot take the point R on the PQ. So let's suppose here I am taking the point R. Okay, so this is the step 2, very easy. First step, draw a line segment PQ of any length. Take the point R but not on PQ. So I have taken over here. Now through R, that means through this point, draw a perpendicular to PQ. You have to drop one perpendicular to the PQ. So for that you need this set square. Okay, and with the help of this ruler, here we will draw a perpendicular. Okay, and why we are using the set square? Because it is mentioned in the question, use ruler and a set square. You can also make the perpendicular with the help of this compass, but here in the question they have mentioned that you have to compulsory use this set square. So this is very easy. First step, to take this set square and adjust on this line PQ in this way. Okay, see, this is the line PQ and I have adjusted the set square. Now with the help of ruler, what you can do, you can place this ruler on this line segment. Okay, see, here I am placing this ruler on the line segment PQ, and now I am placing this set square. Done. So now you just have to slide this ruler. Slide means what? See, Slowly and gradually I am moving it towards the point R, and yes, it's completely on point R. Now simply with the help of pencil draw a line. Yes, so that's it. This is the answer. This is exactly the 90 degree. So this line is perpendicular to PQ. Why it is perpendicular? Because it is making a 90 degree. So in this way, with the help of set square and ruler, you can easily make your perpendicular. Okay, and you can also give the name if you want. Here I'm taking the name as M. Okay, so this is your answer.